Now let us take a matching type problem. So we'll start with this P, which is, we'll need to simplify 1 upon y square cos of tan inverse y plus y of sine of tan inverse y upon cot of sine inverse y plus tan of sine inverse y whole square plus y to the power 4 whole to the power 1 by 2, and let us take this expression as P. Now first we'll simplify this expression in the numerator, which is cos of tan inverse y plus y sine tan inverse of y. Now here we'll let tan inverse of y as theta, so we can write tan theta equals y. So we'll draw a right angle triangle. This is y, this is 1, and this is under root of 1 plus y square. So this expression, it simply becomes now cos theta plus y sin theta. Now cos theta is 1 upon under root of 1 plus y square and then y, and sin theta is y upon under root of 1 plus y square. So we'll simplify, we can simply write this as under root of 1 plus y square. Now we'll simplify this expression in the denominator, which is cot of sine inverse y plus tan of sine inverse y. Now here we'll let sine inverse y as theta. So we can write sin theta equals y. So this is theta, this is y, this is 1, and it will be 1 minus y square. Now we need to find the value of cot theta plus tan theta. Now cot theta here is under root of 1 minus y square upon y, and plus tan theta is y upon under root of 1 minus y square. So it will be 1 upon y into under root of 1 minus y square. Now we'll put these two values in the expression and we'll find the value of P. So we can write this P as 1 upon y square into now cos tan inverse y plus y sin tan inverse y, which is under root of 1 plus y square upon then this value 1 upon y 1 minus y square whole square plus y to the power 4 whole to the power 1 by 2. Now here y square and y square will cancel. So we'll get this P as under root of 1 minus y to the power 4 whole square plus y to the power 4 to the power 1 by 2. Now square and square root will cancel. Y to the power 4 will also cancel. So value of P will be simply 1. So this P, it matches with this option 4. So P, it matches with 4. Now the second part is, if cosx plus cosy plus cosz equals 0 and sinx plus siny plus sinz is also 0, then the possible value of cos x minus y by 2 is. Now here what we'll do is we'll write cos x plus cos y as minus cos z and sin x plus sin y as minus sin z. Now we'll square both the equations and then we'll add them. So we'll write cos x plus cos y whole square plus sin x plus sin y whole square, and it'll be cos square z plus sin square z. Now here cos square x plus sin square x will be 1. In the same way, cos square y plus sin square y will be 1 plus 2, and then we'll get cos x cos y plus sin x sin y, and this value will be 1. So this 1 and 1 will cancel. Now this is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, which is nothing but cos a minus b. So we can write cos x minus y is minus 1 by 2. Now using half angle formula, we can write cos x minus y as 2 cos square x minus y by 2 minus 1. Now value of cos x minus y is nothing but minus 1 by 2. So from here we can write 2 cos square x minus y by 2 will be 1 by 2, or cos x minus y by 2 will be plus or minus 1 by 2, which matches with this option 3. So Q, it matches with 3. Now we'll come to this third part, which is R, and it says if cos pi by 4 minus x into cos 2x plus sin x into sin 2x into secant x is equal to cos x into sin 2x into secant x plus cos pi by 4 plus x into cos 2x, we'll need to find one of the possible values of secant x. Now what we'll do is, we'll take these two terms together and we'll take these other two terms together. So we can write cos 2x into cos pi by 4 minus x minus cos pi by 4 plus x, and it'll be equal to sin 2x into secant x, and it'll be cos x minus sin x. We can simplify this as cos 2x, and this is cos a cos b plus sin a sin b minus cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. So we'll get 2 sin pi by 4 into sin x, and here we'll get 2 sin x into cos x into secant x, and it'll be cos x minus sin x. We can also write this cos 2x as cos square x minus sin square x. Now here we can cancel cos x minus sin x. So one of the solutions that we'll get is cos x minus sin x equals 0. We can also cancel 2 sin x. So another solution that we'll get is sin x equals 0. Here cos x into secant x will be 1. So now we are left with cos x plus sin x into 1 by root 2, and it'll be equal to 1. So from here we'll get this condition that cos x plus sin x, and it'll be root 2. Now from this first condition we'll get x as pi by 4. From the second condition we'll get x as 0, and from this third condition we'll get x as pi by 4. So here the value of secant x will be secant 0, which is 1, or secant pi by 4, which is root 2. So this R, it matches with either 4 or 2, but there's no 4 given in this column. So we'll take R matches with 2. So P is 4, Q is 3, R is 2, and that's your option B. But we'll still verify this S. Now S is cot of sine inverse under root of 1 minus x square. It is sine of tan inverse root 6x. Now since it involves sine inverse under root of 1 minus x square, clearly x should lie between minus 1 and plus 1. Now first we'll simplify this expression on the left hand side, which is cot of sine inverse of under root of 1 minus x square. So we'll take this as theta. We can write sine theta is under root of 1 minus x square. So this is your theta, and this is under root of 1 minus x square. This is 1. Then it'll be x. Now we have to write cot theta. Cot theta will be x upon under root of 1 minus x square. Now we'll simplify this right hand side. Now this RHS is sine of tan inverse of x root 6. Now we'll take this as some angle theta. So here tan theta is under root 6x. So this is theta. This is root 6x, and this is 1, and this is 1 plus 6x square. Now we'll write sine theta. Sine theta will be under root 6x upon under root of 1 plus 6x square. Now we'll rewrite this equation. We can write this equation as x into under root of 1 minus x square. It is equal to under root of 6x upon under root of 1 plus 6x square. Now here x and x will cancel. So one of the value of x will be x equals 0. And then if we'll square it, we'll get 6 minus 6x square, and it'll be 1 plus 6x square. So x square will be simply 5 by 12, or the value of x is 1 by 2 under root 5 by 3. So one of the possible value of x is 1 by 2 under root 5 by 3, which is this option 1. So this S, it matches with 1. So P4, Q3, R2 and S1, and that's your option B.